Hi, and welcome to PHP Dinners. Today we'll talk about few moments which you need to know when you're upgrading your Laravel application from version 10 to 11. Then I did it on one of my last projects. I've got two errors in composer.json with library hedii / laravel-gelf-logger, which was an incompatible version with Laravel 11, and it's disallowed me from upgrading. And also I had one error in with the package barryvdh / laravel-ide-helper. Both of the packages was removed, and then I've upgraded Laravel from 10 to version 11. After that, I have reinstalled those packages without any errors. So that's it. I hope it could be useful for you for your work. If you have more questions with errors upgrading your Laravel application or you want to ask something, just use comments box below. Subscribe here to get more interesting videos on PHP, Laravel, and web development. Have a good day. Bye bye.